Microsoft's new mind-blowing ChatGPT update, a game changer for the entire industry. Are you ready to witness a revolution in the world of artificial intelligence? Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, as we unveil Microsoft's new mind-blowing ChatGPT update that's about to shake up the entire industry. This groundbreaking update takes the capabilities of ChatGPT to a whole new level, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Get ready to be amazed as Microsoft introduces cutting-edge features that will redefine how we interact with AI technology. Welcome back to the Car-Computer Exchange. Today, we're shifting gears from wheels to the cutting edge of AI. Picture this, a tech rivalry like no other where giants like Google and Microsoft are duking it out in an electrifying race to dominate the AI landscape. In a world where AI rollouts from Google and others have been making headlines, it seemed like Microsoft was just playing catch-up. But hold on to your keyboards because they've done the unthinkable. In a 30-minute speech that left us speechless, the CEO of Microsoft revealed a series of mind-blowing updates that have the AI world buzzing. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to dive deep to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence as we break down every jaw-dropping update that Microsoft just dropped. We're talking about ChatGPT, the AI powerhouse that's about to level the playing field and change the game. Microsoft didn't just hit back at Google's I/O conference, they knocked it out of the park, with integrations that will leave your jaw on the floor and features that make even seasoned techies do a double take. This is an announcement that nobody saw coming. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the extraordinary breakthroughs that will reshape the AI landscape forever. From the integration of Bing into ChatGPT for a supercharged search experience to the game-changing plugins and seamless interoperability, Microsoft is taking the lead in the AI race. The Bing integration. Picture this, Microsoft and Bing, two heavyweights in their own right, are joining forces to bring you a search experience like never before. Say goodbye to waiting around for search results, because this new Bing integration in ChatGPT is lightning fast and super accurate. Microsoft knows that when it comes to the search game, speed and precision are everything. No more sifting through outdated search results. With Bing, now the default in ChatGPT, you're getting up-to-date answers and fresh content at your fingertips. Need some citations to back up your information? No problem. Bing's got you covered. Trust us, this seamless integration is a total game changer, and it's Microsoft's way of saying, "Hey Google, we're back in the race, and we mean business." With Bing as the default search engine in ChatGPT, Microsoft is demonstrating its commitment to providing users with the most relevant and accurate information. By offering up-to-date answers and comprehensive search results, Microsoft is ensuring that users have access to the latest knowledge and insights. This integration not only enhances the user experience, but also positions Microsoft as a strong competitor in the search engine market. Plugins and interoperability. They've kicked things up a notch with plugins that work like magic in both ChatGPT and Bing. Write them once and they run everywhere. It's like having your favorite AI buddy follow you wherever you go. Imagine this, you're on the hunt for your dream house in Chicago, and you want to know all the juicy deets about the neighborhoods. Thanks to these nifty plugins, you can seamlessly switch from ChatGPT to Bing and back again, effortlessly asking for real-time queries and getting all the information you need in a snap. It's like having your own personal real estate guru in your pocket. And guess what? This isn't just any challenge to Google's bot. It's Microsoft saying, "We see you, Google, and we're stepping up our game." With the speed, ease of use, and sheer power of these plugins, they're making a statement loud and clear. They're here to stay at the forefront of the AI revolution. Microsoft's commitment to innovation is evident in its continuous efforts to enhance the user experience. By introducing these advanced plugins, they are not only providing convenience, but also solidifying their position as a formidable competitor in the AI market. With its dedication to staying ahead of the curve, Microsoft is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Alright, fellow tech enthusiasts, it's time for a mid-video check-in question that'll put your AI knowledge to the test. So here it is. If you had to choose between ChatGPT's new Bing integration or its game-changing plugins, which one would you pick to supercharge your AI experience? Drop your answers in the comments and let's see which features has got you all fired up. Now, back to the AI adventure. Windows Copilot. Now let's talk about the ultimate AI sidekick that's about to make your computer interactions a breeze. Introducing Windows Copilot, Microsoft's AI-powered assistant that's been seamlessly integrated into Windows. They've taken AI to a whole new level, making your computer smarter, faster, and just plain awesome. Think of it as your digital co-pilot, helping you navigate through documents, find files like a pro, and analyze everything like a seasoned expert. It's like having your very own super smart wingman to make your work life a whole lot easier. And here's the kicker. Microsoft wasn't always gung-ho about expanding ChatGPT, but they realized that sometimes you gotta spread your wings and soar. Windows Copilot is a testament to their determination to create something extraordinary. And boy, have they nailed it. Windows Copilot is a game changer for professionals, offering seamless integration with the Microsoft Office suite and other productivity tools. With its advanced algorithms and intuitive interface, it effortlessly streamlines complex tasks, saving you valuable time and effort. Whether you're a busy executive or a meticulous researcher, Windows Copilot is the ultimate productivity companion that will revolutionize the way you work. AI Hub and Azure AI Studio. Last but not least, Microsoft is taking collaboration and innovation to a whole new level with its AI Hub. It's like a secret treasure trove where developers can share their newest AI programs with Microsoft, and users like us can discover the coolest tools in the AI world, safe, fast, and brimming with cutting-edge AI goodness. This hub is like a candy store for techies. And if that's not enough to get your AI engines revving, let's talk about Azure AI Studio. It's the ultimate playground for developers, allowing them to develop and train their custom ChatGPT models with a laser focus on AI safety. Microsoft knows that staying ahead means keeping things secure, and they're taking it seriously. With Azure AI Studio, developers can also collaborate and share their models with the community, fostering innovation and knowledge exchange. Microsoft's commitment to AI safety is evident in its robust security measures and continuous updates to ensure a secure development environment for all users. And there you have it, folks. The AI world will never be the same after Microsoft's mind-blowing ChatGPT update. From Bing integration to the power of plugins and the ultimate Copilot with Windows Copilot, it's an AI revolution that's turning heads. But this is just the beginning. So if you want to stay on the cutting edge of tech and be the first to know about the latest AI breakthroughs, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't miss out on the next wave of tech excitement and be part of our incredible community. We have weekly videos launching covering the topics of AI, VR, and all new tech updates. If there's a topic you want covered, comment the details below and your article could be featured on our next tech video update. Thanks for joining us on this AI adventure. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay awesome. See you in the next video.